Hello everyone, myself Josna Soikia, Research Scholar, Department of Physics NERIST, and the title of my poster is Raman Spectroscopy, AIM Analysis, Dark Likeliness and Molecular Docking Study of the Hydrogen Bonded Complex of Karmastine with Melatonin. The work is carried out under the guidance of Dr. T.H. Gomti Devi and Professor T. Carlo. Drug hormone interaction plays a pivotal role in drug treatment, as hormones have a significant influence on drug efficacy. Melanoma is one of the most fatal forms of skin cancer that primarily develops in the pigment-producing cell melanocytes with rapid tendency to metastasize. Even with the approval of certain drugs such as dacarbazine by Food and Drug Administration, the treatment of advanced metastatic melanoma remains a challenge. Over the last few years, several attempts have been made to develop promising new drugs to treat advanced metastatic melanoma. However, no significant improvement have been achieved. Therefore, in this work, we investigate the combined therapeutic efficacy of karmastine, which is a potential anti-cancer agent, and melatonin, which is a hormone having antioxidant, anti-tumor, and anti-inflammatory properties for the treatment of metastatic melanoma with low side effects. The main objectives of our studies are to investigate the nature of hydrogen bonding interaction between karmastine and melatonin using atoms in molecular analysis under density functional theory. The next one is to study the Raman spectra of the complex, and third one is to evaluate the oral bioactivity score and dark likeliness properties of the complex, and the last one is to investigate the pharmaceutical activeness of the complex against the selected MIA protein, particularly 1I1J receptors. The methodologies which we have adopted during our work includes both computational and experimental methods. The karmastine and melatonin samples are processed from Sigma Aldis Chemical Company and used as such without further purification. Methanol is purchased from Lobachemi Chemical Company. The karmastine and melatonin samples are gently mixed in 1:1 molar ratio in an agate mortar using few drops of methanol to prepare the complex, and the Raman spectra of the complex are recorded by using HORIBA Explorer 1 micro-Raman system, which is shown in figure 1, using 785 nanometer diode laser in the spectral region 0 to 4000 per centimeter. And the theoretical calculations are carried out with DFT-BT-LYP61 GDP level using Gaussian 09W software, GaussSum 3.0 software, and GaussView 5.0 software. To evaluate the bioactivity score of the complex, we used mole inspiration software, and to calculate the dark likeliness properties, we used Switch ADME software. We have also performed molecular docking study, and we used Autodock 4.0 tool. Next, come to the results and discussion. First one is molecular geometry. The structure of karmastine plus melatonin is depicted in figure 2. The karmastine plus melatonin is optimized using DFT-BT-LYP61 GDP level, and here we have observed the formation of an intermolecular hydrogen bond between NH functional group of melatonin and NO functional group of karmastine, and the bond length of the newly formed hydrogen bond is found to be 2.14 angstrom. The nature of the hydrogen bond are discussed by using AIM analysis. The topological parameters such as electron density, Laplacian of electron density, Hamiltonian kinetic energy, Lagrangian kinetic energy, and potential energy of the complex are listed in table 1. In AIM analysis, we have observed that the electron density values lies within the range of hydrogen bond, and the positive values of Laplacian of electron density for all the 4 hydrogen bonds indicates its electrostatic nature. In AIM analysis, the positive values of Laplacian and negative values of Hamiltonian reveals that it is a moderate hydrogen bond. The influence of the hydrogen bonding on the spectral fingerprint is also discussed by using Raman spectroscopy techniques. Figure 3 depicts the Raman spectra of karmastine plus melatonin complex and the vibrational assignments of some functional groups along with their PED contributions are listed in Table 2. From the Raman spectral analysis of the complex, we found that the theoretical and experimental spectra are in good agreement. Next, come to the bioactivity score prediction and dark likeliness properties of the complex. Bioactivity score of a complex indicates the potentiality of a complex to be a drug. In an organic compound, if the bioactivity score is more than 0, then it is active. If it is in between -5 and 0, then it is moderately active. And if the score is less than -5, then it is inactive. In Table 3, the bioactivity score of the complex against the GPCR ligand is found 0.06, which is greater than 0. Similarly, the bioactivity score of the complex against the other drug target are found in between 0 and -5. Therefore, from Table 3, we can conclude that our synthesized complex is orally bioactive. We have also calculated the dark likeliness parameters of the complex and listed in Table 4. According to Lipinski rule of 5, a compound possesses good membrane permeability if log P does not exceed 5, no more than 5 hydrogen bond donors and 10 hydrogen bond acceptors, and the molecular mass should be less than 500 daltons. From Table 4, we can conclude that our synthesized complex obeys all the Lipinski rule. Therefore, from Table 3 and 4, we can conclude that the synthesized complex possesses a good oral bioavailability. Finally, the molecular docking analysis of the complex is carried out against 1I1J receptor and binding energy values are found to be -4.62 kilocalorie per mole, which reveals the inhibitor activity of the complex against the selected MIA protein. The interaction of karmastine plus melatonin ligand with 1I1J receptor are shown in Figure 4. Next, come to the conclusion. Here, we reported the optimized molecular structure of karmastine plus melatonin complex, and the nature of hydrogen bond is discussed by using AIM analysis. The vibrational spectra of the complex is carried out and found to be in agreement with the theoretical spectra of the complex. The calculated oral bioactivity score and the dark likeliness parameters of the complex reveals its bioactive nature. Finally, the molecular docking study validates its activity as a promising candidate for the treatment of metastatic melanoma. Now, I want to gratefully acknowledge FIS DST Delhi for instrumentation facilities in the Department of Physics NERIST, and one author, Jay Soikia, is thankful to DST Inspire India to provide financial assistance during the research work. Thank you.